Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme, and we are definitely looking really good. I am super excited, you guys, to be showing you how easy this installation process was, period. Okay, this is a glueless wig and I'm here for it. Okay, look at the wavy curls. They are doing what they're supposed to do. Okay, the water waves are doing what they're supposed to do. By the way, guys, this wig, it is super dry, and look at it, it is moving when I move. I always tell people that if you are buying a wig and it's not moving when you move, it is not quality. But you know very well that if you are buying a wig from Luvme company, baby, you are going to get like really great quality, the greatest quality. Guys, look at this, look at that. Look at that. And the fact that this wig is glueless, I'm impressed. Okay, please do check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous short wavy bob. Okay, do that. All right, before we get straight into today's video, I wanted to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme company. All right, so this is their gorgeous box. It is giving gorgeousness, it is giving classy. I'm obsessed with their packaging, you guys. I love the bow, by the way. So let me show you what is inside. They were kind enough to send me this gorgeous scarf. It is a branded scarf, a wig cap, a scrunchie, pair of tweezers, and then of course an edge brush to lay your edges. So they also sent me this user's guide and with instructions on how to take care of your wig.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together it's always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together it's always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it, how you turned everything around. I will always remember it, how you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground.
I've been losing sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day. we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. Oh, oh. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stand strong. Oh, oh. It looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stand strong. Oh, oh. It looks like we made it. Wake me from this dream I've been in. I need to get in closer to you. I swear you might succeed. Oh baby, I've been waiting for you. Now we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. Oh, oh. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stand strong. Oh, oh. It looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stand strong. Oh, oh. It looks like we made it. Yeah, it looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we. It looks like we made it. It looks like we. Oh, it looks like we made it.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wavy wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, you guys, bye bye.